Welcome to Live Healthy with Judith, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you best natural libido booster smoothie remedy I bet you never knew. So you can see this yummy looking cup of libido booster is made with just 4 simple ingredients. So here are the ingredients. Firstly, we have our watermelon, and we also have our dates, which we'll be adding, and we have our bananas. So all of these ingredients don't have a stipulated way of adding them. You can just put them whichever way you like. And then lastly, we have our strawberries. These 4 ingredients put together is super amazing for enhancing your sexual health, and it is also very effective in boosting your libido. And if you have not tried the previous video on our aphrodisiac smoothies, then you need to try this. So this is it, very simple and easy to do. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done, and give us a thumbs up for this video, and also click on the notification bell so that you get to be the first to see all of our new videos that we will be posting. You can also share your comments with us in the comment section about this recipe, and do also share this video with your friends and family who would love to try this recipe. Thank you for staying tuned with us. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay blessed and healthy. Bye for now.